Hello friends, so Alena is again here and I want to continue with pages on mini album Sweety. Paper is from Stamperia and I have also the collection have name Sweety. So this page will be page 9, will be very easy. So just from the paper, because I don't have all the paper right away, because I cut both pages right now. So it's 17 and 3 millimeters by 24 and 3 millimeters. So I cut this, and also I cut from the paper 8 millimeters for that folding. And next what I did, I just cut 3 times 3 centimeters from this side and 3 centimeters from left side, from right side, and I just straight cut hole with knife. Same I did here and same I did here. And what I will do now, I want to glue the paper on the page number 9. So I take double tape and go around here. Here is the cut, so I will close to edge, and the everything I leave empty because I want to have pocket there, and I just do bottom, and that's all. I take bones to make tape sure to glue, and I take top of tape 1, 2, and 3. Glue. With glue I go around edges. Oops. So I just go here. Also here. Third. That is really very simple, but a little bit tricky. I show you why. Okay. Now I smear that to not go too much out of the paper. Okay, and I take this, check if it's right side. Okay, so that is top. Maybe I will do like that to have close edge here. Okay, so the page is on her way. Very simple. Now, why I thought tricky, it's not tricky, but okay. So I just cut these 2 cards from paper, fold them on half, so we can write something here, also here, or we can put pictures. And because here is open, I just put this card here. It can go down, and we can put something here. Also, we can put something there. I don't know. Okay, maybe this cake. And here we have again pockets, so we can put this cake or photos. So it goes like that. That's all what I want on this page, but everything will be on that back. Photos made with love. Because my daughter really loves to do that. So, okay. I don't have a glossy accent here, so usually what I do when I finish, I with glossy accent do all this writing. So that's all. I think anyway page is busy, and also I take from rest of the paper this strip to finish that shelves. So that is page number 9. See you next video. Thank you very much to visit my channel. Bye bye guys.